Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So I have taken out card for 1st to 15th of May for Aries. So I have taken out 3 cards as what will be the obstacle during these first 15 days, and the guidance and the outcome accordingly. Okay, so let's see what does the card have for you. The obstacle, what I see coming your way is, okay, so you might be feeling, you might be feeling that you are not able to connect with the people around you, or in your relation you might be feeling that lack of emotional connection or support. And at the financial level also, I see something like this is happening which is kind of bothering you, and you are kind of feeling that you have not received enough reward for the work you have done, or whatever you were expecting is not has not actually come in that way. So you are somewhere feeling, materialistic. If you are comparing your life to others, and you are looking for the other person what they have achieved in your life, and you have not reached that level, so you need to change your perspective here. Okay, everybody's life is different, so just try to change your perspective. Try to look at the things from a different angle. Let's see what's the guidance coming in here for you. Okay, the obstacle here I see is a lack of satisfaction in your relations and career, in your finances also. The guidance here is, I see, okay, see, you need to communicate properly with the people around you and with whom you are dealing. You need to be open to the new opportunities. You need to express your emotions. You need to express what you're feeling and what you're going through, so that others can help you if they can. Okay, at the same time, it can also be like exploring on something you always had an interest in doing. It can be a hobby, or some fun activity, or some games which you used to play in your childhood, but now given due to so many responsibilities, you are somehow not able to take time for that. So it's also that you should do something what makes you happy, and you also need to work on your creativity. Okay, see how you can make things more creative and interesting, so that you also don't lose interest in doing the same thing. Okay, now let's see what is the guidance, what is the outcome in the first 15 days from the month. See, so outcome will be in your favor. It's like you will get a conclusion. If you were stuck in a particular situation where you were not able to decide on a particular thing, so you might have the clarity on what do you want and what decision you should make for your growth. Okay, it also means not only restricted to the relations, it can also be for your career. It's a general reading. So you need to have, you need to express basically, so that you can come out of what is running here in your mind, because it's basically creating balance in your professional and personal life. You need to connect with people to help them understand what is bothering you. You need to reassess your own issues, so that you can look at things from a different perspective, and try to get more clarity on how you can make it better, and then things will be definitely in your favor. So if you want me to bring a detailed reading, please do comment for the same, and I will make the last 15 days of the month in a detailed manner, reading in a detailed manner, and accordingly going forward I'll do the readings in a detailed, with the detailed cards. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.